Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another intense Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshot 3-way battle in the Rail Rush Stadium. So this is a battle that happened in the anime. We have a member of the Turbo 4, Laban and Vise Leopard, 12 Lift Destroy -S. Heat Salamander. It's going to stay in defense mode throughout this entire battle. 12 Operate -S, which will also stay in defense mode. And the Achilles, used by Aiger. 11 Extend -S, which will stay in slingshot mode. So it's gonna be up to 5 points, and for like first place and for like second place, it will be up to 3 points. So let's see who will be like the ultimate winner of this 3-way battle. Let's go. Round 1. Swirling Inferno. Howling Fight. Z Breaker. Oh! Okay, Salamander totally got that burst finish on Achilles. So Salamander gets 2 points for that. Move the disc. But who will win with stamina? And it goes to Vise Leopard. So Vise Leopard gets 1 point with the survivor finish. But since Salamander burst the Achilles, it gets 2 points. So Salamander's in the lead. 2. Heat Salamander. Vise Leopard. And Z Achilles. Dang, that was... Once again, I'll give Salamander the burst finish, but the burst caused Salamander to just stop spinning. So Leopard has 2 points and Salamander has 4. Just needs 1 more point to win. Salamander, Crimson Lotus Blaze. Leopard, Howling Fight. Achilles, Well, the winner of first place goes to Heat Salamander. Just keeps getting consistent burst on Z Achilles. Achilles! Z Defense! Leopard! Howling Bites. Dang, that was some disrespect right there. Okay guys, so first place goes to Souh Genshi's Heat Salamander. Second place goes to Laban's Vise Leopard. And third place / last goes to Aiger's Z Achilles. Hope you enjoyed that intense battle. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you all next time for more intense Beyblade Burst battles.